So this is a very quick guide as to how to get up and running with minUP to analyse your data. The first thing you need to do is make sure you have Cygwin installed on your computer, because we require that. So go to cygwin.com. This is the home of the Cygwin project, and you can download the 64-bit installation. So click on that link, download the package, just follow the default instructions. That's all you need to do, nothing else. Just run the defaults, install the package, and that's it, you're fine. Then for the next step, you need to go to your minoTour account. So I'm showing the Nottingham minoTour server here. You may have your own minoTour server, and you log in as appropriate. And then you go into the minUP scripts page, and if you are authorized to upload data, you'll see these links, minUP for Windows, and if you scroll down, there's also the Linux minUP versions. We're going to use minUP for Windows today, so we click on the minUP for Windows link, and that will take you out and download the new version of minUP. So we're going to save this. Yeah, minUP master. We're going to put it on the desktop for now. And so this downloads. It'll take a few moments to download. So once the download is complete, we're going to view our download, and we're going to open this up. And we want to take this folder and decompress it onto the desktop. So we do that, and we have to wait a moment now as well. Now we have our folder, our minUP master. So we go in here. There's a lot of files here. The most important ones are down here, and we've got this new file called minUP GUI, and this is the one I'm going to show you how to use today. Double click on minUP GUI, and it will launch you our brand new GUI interface for uploading reads to minoTour. There's a number of fields that you can fill in here, and we go through them one at a time just to show you. So the first and most important is the watch directory. This is the folder that reads are being downloaded to by minoTour. So if we just have a look in minoTour here, we're in the settings, and you can see that the download directory here is on the E drive. So we're going to go and choose that downloads directory. So this is we're on the E drive. In our downloads folder, we can see pass and fail reads, so we select that folder. We then fill in various bits of information here, so our minoTour username, the server that you're uploading data to, the username again, the password. I'm not going to fill that in right now. This is a comment field that you can add information to, so it has a date stamp. You can also provide a custom name now, so this allows you to upload a database more than once. I'm just going to call this demo. If you're running a multi-service facility and you want to keep track of whose run this particular run is, you can put their name in here, and how many times this flow cell has been used, or various other bits of information. Okay, so we need to find our reference sequence. That's going to be on the desktop for this particular data set. So we open that. Do we want to use an aligner? You can or you can't. If you don't want to, we're going to use BWA. We've given it a reference sequence. We've got no custom options for the BWA aligner. If you want to remotely control your miniron, you can do that by entering a PIN number here and the IP address of the computer that's controlling minoTour. Controlling Min. This is still in development, so we're not going to do it right now. If you want to share your run with another user on the same server, you can put their username in here. There are various options down here which you can fill in. Number of processors is only required if you're aligning reads to a reference without base calling. We're going to do a further video on that, so we won't talk about that right now. Number of threads, you don't need to change that. Batch align, you don't need to worry about unless you're uploading multiple sets of data. We'll talk about that in future. Telemetry allows us to upload all the squiggle data. With the new kits, we advise you don't do that because it's too much data to transfer quickly enough and process. So we suggest you leave that unticked. If you've uploaded this data before with the same database name, you'll need to tick the drop database box. The other options you shouldn't ever need to use. So I'm just going to dive up, put in my password so you can't see it, and then we'll start this. Okay, so I've added the password, but you can't see me doing that, so you don't know my password, which is good. And now we hit start, and this will start uploading data to the website. Just giving you out various messages here that you can use. If there's any error reporting, you can copy information from here and send it to us. So please do that if you have any problems. It takes a few moments to chunk through, but you can see in the background that a new run has started, and we can go and look at this now. Current sequencing run, switch active runs. It's the demo run that we are looking at. Got a lot going in at the moment. Here it is, the demo run. So we click on it, and you can see it started to upload data and is doing so fairly rapidly. There's all the plots are filling in, everything's happening as it should do. So there's the data. So the site is up and running. When you come to finish your run, come back to the minUP graphical user interface and just click on the X button here. It will close the run and it will set it to inactive on the website. Any problems? Send us an email.